let me show you a comparison between a company that waits to budget and use their own capital to do a lighting upgrade versus a company using the lighting as a service solution from OUS to provide the capital. I'll call them Company A and Company B. Now, both companies have 50 buildings, operating the 3,650 hours per year, and each building would cost $200,000 to retrofit to LED lighting. Okay, now Company A finally had the capital budgeted, and they upgraded one of their 50 buildings to LED lighting. They loved it. They got 35% return on their capital, with a corresponding 35% savings in energy and maintenance for their lighting. Success. So now, every quarter, the facility manager goes in for a budget approval to do more, and every other quarter they get a little bit of what they asked for. And now, after 5 years, they've had the $400,000 in capital expenditures to do the equivalent upgrade of 2 buildings. At the current working speed and deployment of capital of $400,000 every 5 years, they're going to take 125 years to retrofit all of their facilities. So, 5 years later, they have saved $525,000, but spent $400,000 for a net savings of $125,000. Now, Company B, with the same size buildings, chose to retrofit all 50 buildings through OUS's lighting as a service, which meant that they had no capital and no debt. Company B received 20% of the savings generated with no capital required. With no added debt on the books, it didn't negatively impact their balance sheet. The $10 million retrofit generated $3.5 million in savings, which meant Company B made $700,000 per year with no use of capital. Over the next 5 years, they will earn $3.5 million in additional profits with no investment. So, the strategy of using their own constrained capital and delaying energy improvements meant Company A netted $125,000 over 5 years and still had 48 buildings not upgraded. Of course, Company A is also spending millions of dollars every year on inefficient lighting since they didn't do an upgrade on their other buildings. Company B upgraded all 50 buildings with no investment and profited $3.5 million. It's that simple. The lighting as a service solution is a 5 to 10 year financial agreement, and the customer, the contractor, and the people that are investing the money are all happy. Company B started to see an immediate impact on the reduction of their carbon footprint. If Company A and B both needed to borrow money to grow their business, Company B would find it easier to borrow that money. And Company B increased their annual net income by $700,000. So you see, customers can meet environmental goals while keeping their capital focused on their operations. So, the real question is, would you rather be Company A with a $125,000 net gain or Company B with $3.5 million?